Hi, this is Mudita Wood Creation. Today we will make router sled using plywood to flattening some small and green wood that I will use as a bar stool. So please stay tuned. The first process is we measure the base of the router. So we have the measurement to cut the plywood. The next process is we cut the plywood on the table saw following to the measurement of the router base. Just now I have the base is around 9 centimeters, so I make a spare, so I made it around 14 centimeters. The next process is we make the outline. So this don't need too high. I just made around 4 centimeters. Next is cutting the end for the router sled. For this we need 2 pieces. We continue to the assembling process. On this process I put a glue, and later on we will use the nail gun to hold the plywood. Nail gun plus glue will be strong enough to hold this plywood. We continue to the other side with the same process, glue and nail gun. And this is the other side. After the assembling process is done, we continue. The next process is make the hole on the middle of the router sled. I use the router itself directly to make a hole. After it's done, I just make it a little bit more tidy. Okay, the router sled is ready. Now is the trial time. I'm using the router sled to flattening the end grain wood. It's worked very well. Flattening wood using this method will take some time, but it's okay, especially for the end grain. If you're using the planer, it will be very challenging using planer for the end grain. we continue on the other side of the wood. Honestly, I'm very satisfied with the outcome or the result of this simple router sled. You can see the result is satisfying. This is the result after we flattening both sides of the wood. If you have any comment or suggestion about this simple router sled, please put it in the comment, and will be really appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button. That will help me to grow my channel and support me to make another video. Thank you for watching.